Assalamu alaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to my little man cave and welcome to more RC video reviews. Tank lovers, where are you guys? Because today we have this cool Henglong 1/16th scale 2.4 GHz version of US M41A3 Walker Bulldog light tank. This is a highly scaled, very detailed replica of Walker Bulldog light tank, and it has some cool features as well. Henglong definitely took their time to put lots of details in this Walker Bulldog light tank, and not only that but also quality parts. This baby has some good weight on it. Now when it comes to the features of this Walker Bulldog tank, you are going to simply love it more, because not only it has the authentic simulated sound system already installed in it, so you can enjoy driving it around with authentic sounds, not only the driving sound but the turret moving around, going up and down, going left and right, and also gun shooting, that is machine gun sound, and of course the main turret, the main gun shooting sounds. That is a realistic touch when you drive this tank, but the realistic touch doesn't just end there. This tank can also shoot BB bullets, so you can actually go for target practice. Be very careful because the BB gun or airsoft gun installed in this tank turret is pretty powerful, and at close range you can get hurt, so you have to be very careful when activating or firing its main turret. One more feature apart from the BB bullet shooting and the sound system and the LED lights that actually makes it more realistic while you're making video is the pre-installed smoke system. You can activate the smoke system on demand and see the smoke coming out from the tank exhaust. That makes it a really much more realistic. If you know how to make good camera angles on this tank while shooting videos outdoors, you can fool people in believing that that's the real deal right there. The list of features doesn't just end here. You have a metal tracks right here, complete suspension system on both tracks. The main turret can move 320 degrees around. There are lots of goodies and accessories and props provided that you can install on this tank to make it much more realistic. It has a 2.4 GHz radio. Before, the radio was 72 megahertz, I believe. On this tank is using a 7.4 volt 1800 milliamp battery that provides plenty of playtime as well. This baby does have some weight on it, and yes, sometimes when you're playing all by yourself it can get boring, and that's where one more coolest feature of Henglong tank comes handy, is that the tank actually comes with an infrared sensor, so you can install the infrared sensor on the tank and go heads on with your friends for a tank battle. If they have another Henglong RC tank with an infrared sensor, you can definitely engage in cool tank battles. Gentlemen, start your engines. Nice. I thought the engine would take longer to get started. You can control the volume of the sound as well right from your radio control. Okay, this is not just one sound, but there are different sounds. So this is the engine sound, this is the turret sound. Uh-oh, is it facing me? I better not hit the BB bullet firing mechanism. Yeah, there are gears that can actually grind if you move the turret too much up or down. So that was one sound, and here's a machine gun sound. Okay, second sound. Third sound. I'm actually having fun with this one now. Fourth sound. Oh, I'm shooting myself. I'm glad the machine gun doesn't have the real bullets, but the BB gun does have a real bullet in there. Alright, back to this sound. I actually like this sound or this sound. Okay, let's drive it a little bit right here. Let me point the turret away from the main turret. I don't want to be in front of that. The control is really very nice, very fine. You can basically control the tank and move it really nice and slow if you like. basically it's pretty fast. So you can basically grind, you can basically rip some terrain. You can see the LED lights on the back and an LED light on the front. And there is also an infrared, I believe, right here, which is used to shoot the other tank's infrared receptors. Now, I'm not shooting the main turret because I have added the BB bullets in there. Let's bring the tank out in the room and shoot some BB bullets. But before that, let me show you how the smoke system works and how the smoke comes out from the exhaust of the tank. So I have put a black bag behind it so you can actually see the smoke. The smoke quantity is pretty good basically. For the smoke system to work, you need to add some kind of oil, and once the oil finish, you have to buy more oil. Factory has actually added about enough oil that will work for 2 hours, but after that you will have to buy and add an oil. Oil, I'm not sure what kind of oil is that. They mention in the translated user manual something like an aerosol that you can basically add 5 to 6 milliliter, not millimeter, milliliter in both of the exhausts from the exhaust opening, and a 5 to 6 milliliter little oil can actually work for 2 hours. I'm not sure what kind of oil is that. I was thinking to go down and get the car engine oil, that, you know, actual engine oil, and maybe put 1 or 2 drops inside and see how does it work, or if it will work, or I will damage the exhaust, I mean the smoke system. Nonetheless, let's take the tank out in the living room and shoot some targets. Let's do some target practicing so you can actually see how powerful the BB gun is. So this is going to be our playground for the tank. Ooh, Arish is back on this little retro classic arcade games machine. It has 3,000 games on it. Are you having fun, Arish?
Oh yeah.
Well, you want to watch a complete review of this little cool machine, do watch that. We also have look at the skeleton, he's busy on the iPad. We also have the bigger version of this machine, and of course the review of Pandora's Box S5 on my channel as well. Now, while we are talking about these little machines, why not we bring the tank out and shoot some BB bullets, huh? Alright, tank is ready, so we will first see how it drives over the pillow. I will not shoot you, don't worry. Oh, this is nice. It's basically a very nice off-road thingy. Alright, now here you can see how the suspension is working. I will actually bring it to a smaller tank we have right there, and you can see how the suspension works. Oh, we actually smashed that tank under. Check it out, how the suspension works, right? It's in action right here. Okay, that tank is still alive. They're coming on the pillow again. Awesome. We are shooting. Okay, so we'll put the target slightly lower. Mommy, don't worry, we will turn the turret away. We are aligning the tank right now. Close your eyes, and here comes the shot. Oh, that was the wrong one. Try again. Oh, I shot the tank down. Let's shoot the box. Oh, I shot that tank as well, right? That was exactly a very nice shot. One more. Did you see the bullet? Yeah, the bullets are really fast. So when actually the tank is shooting, basically you can see the simulated authentic way of tank actually moves. So here we go, one more shot. Ow, I hit my leg, the bullet ricocheted The box. Ready? Nice, man. I saw that bullet. Wait, I will shoot the target from this far. How about it? Alright. Here we go. Yes! That was accurate, man. That was really nice and accurate. I mean, how painful is the bullet? I'm going to demonstrate. Ready? It hit my cloth. It didn't hit me. It stings a little, but it's not that painful. Okay, so how much turret moves all the way 320 degrees? Yes, locked. Man, this is slow. It's going to lock here. Yes, so 320 degree only. If we had what? Yes, then we can definitely have a battle. Do not shoot in your batteries, okay? Remember that. So Arish is going to try to shoot that target. Ready? Press both buttons. Press and hold both buttons. Where did it go? It didn't hit the target. Come on. Yeah, baby, that was bullseye right there, right? Yep. Drive it around. Ooh, my legs are still like kind of rashy where the BB bullet hit. He's just driving on that little tank. Uh oh, it went inside under it. Wait there, don't move. Let's see how much smoke will come out. Press and leave it. Oh, I can see smoke. It's coming out. Pui, 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 pui. Sweet. Now, can you drive? Don't turn off the smoke. Just drive. Drive slowly. Keep driving with the smoke on. Alright, turn off the smoke, please. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, baby. Check this out. The pillow drive. Oh, wait. Go backward. You know you don't want to drop the tank. Very nice. Turn around. Turn. Don't drop the tank or you will lose the war. Slow down.
The tank goes so slow.
Very nice. Arish did the job. He is a good tank driver. Look at the focus on his face. Look how serious his face is. Give us a smile, tank driver. I'm holding this heavy baby in my hands, and I'm sure my hands are going to tie. I'm sure my arm is going to get tired very soon. So let me conclude very quickly. Henglong has definitely put a lot of work and good quality components in their tanks. I am simply loving this 1/16th scale 2.4 GHz version US M41A3 Walker Bulldog tank. Not only me, my kids are simply crazy about it. The only thing they are really scared of is this main turret, because the BB bullets that it shoots are really painful. Yesterday I shot my leg and it was painful, I can tell you that. So my kids are really scared of this turret, and anyway I can tell them, hey, eat food or the tank is coming out. So yes, if you are a tank lover and you want to own an RC version of highly detailed replicas of your favorite tanks, which actually shoot BB bullets from the main turret, have authentic simulated sounds and the smoke system, and of course other coolest features, including good weight on them, quality components on them, you can definitely look at Henglong tanks. If you're looking at this very particular tank, the link is in video description. And I've said I'm gonna go outside with this tank now and have some fun in the open. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right